Polibienestar is a research institute of the University of València, specialized in public policy, whose aim is to improve social well-being through research applied through socio-technical processes. Polibienestar's mission is to achieve greater effectiveness and efficiency in public policy by obtaining not only national but international research projects of excellence, and also by transferring this experience to society through its knowledge transfer area, with contracts with public administration and private and non-profit entities. The research team and social well-being policies, directed by the Professor Jorge Garcés, are carrying out socio-technical research from an interdisciplinary and holistic focus, while using information and communication technologies. There are 3 Polibienestar Institute line of research. The healthcare area is carrying out research in the fields of public health, prevention of illness, promotion of health, integrated attention, long-term care, and mental health. The sustainability and governance area is centering its research on sustainable cities, circular economy, governance and participation, and territorial equity. The social and inclusive education innovation area is looking at the areas of social inclusion of vulnerable groups and training, applied from the point of view of innovation and development of new technologies. The Institute has participated in more than 100 European research projects, thanks to the involvement and excellence of its interdisciplinary team, and its involvement in a large number of networks and committees made up of international experts. All this has won Polibienestar recognition in the European sphere and the possibility of contributing to the advancement of the social sciences while directing social well-being public policy.